Hopes of revitalizing HIMS and HERS Health have come from a $250 million share repurchase program, authorized by its board of directors, to buy back outstanding Class A common stock over the next 3 years. This follows the completion of a $100 million repurchase program. It believes its stock's market value doesn't reflect its intrinsic worth and plans to repurchase shares opportunistically based on market conditions. Whereas CRISPR Therapeutics went green thanks in part to positive Phase 1 results for its in vivo CRISPR-Cas9 therapy, CTX 310, showing significant reductions in lipid levels and a well-tolerated safety profile. At the same time, Rumble is undergoing a transformation, shifting from a video platform to a key player in AI infrastructure. Its acquisition of Northern Data, a German AI firm, gives Rumble control over high-performance GPUs, enabling it to expand its cloud business. The deal, valued around $767 million, is supported by Tether, which will purchase $150 million in GPUs from Rumble and invest $100 million in advertising. Despite a decline in monthly active users, Rumble is seeing strong ARPU growth and is positioning itself for future expansion in AI. While that gets underway, Ondas secured an $8.2 million order from a major European security agency to deploy multiple Iron Drone radar systems for counter-drone protection at one of Europe's largest airports. The aerobotics subsidiary will lead the integration and deployment of these autonomous counter-UAS systems, addressing the growing threat of drone intrusions that have disrupted air traffic. The Iron Drone radar, which uses AI to intercept hostile drones with precision, is designed for high-traffic environments. This order adds to Ondas' strong 2025 performance, including record revenues and a growing portfolio in defense and homeland security. As for a growing Bitcoin portfolio, MicroStrategy recently bought $835.6 million worth of Bitcoin, increasing its holdings to nearly $62 billion. Helping to hold at least some institutional support for the broader adoption of ETFs and the involvement of Wall Street in crypto after Bitcoin fell back under 100,000, raising concerns about whether this marks the start of a new 4-year cycle of declines, similar to previous patterns after Bitcoin's halving events. It also didn't help a $19 billion liquidation of leveraged positions and profit-taking by long-term holders have compounded the sell-off.